is fire truck day. That's the day I purchased my second fire truck. So I have money, 10 grand cash, and I'm not even giving him that much. I'm gonna lowball the hell out of it. Here it is, I see it!
Oh, it looks good.
Oh my God, you can't even see it, that's a fence. This is our fire truck seller here. Uh-oh. Tire's leaking fluid. We're getting this truck for way less than what it's worth. I should do the trick.
Yeah, should fire it up now. Oh! She smells healthy.
So, the reaction's a little slow. We might rear end someone.
Pull the horn.
I'm gonna honk this through every red light, red stop sign, intersection.